Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S. Today I'm going to speed test Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 8. Redmi Note 9 using chipset MediaTek Helio G85 and this phone comes with 4GB RAM and 120GB storage. On the other hand, Redmi Note 8 comes with Snapdragon 665 and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Okay, let's go start the video. By the way, Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 9 camera comparison coming very soon, so subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 8 speed test. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time. The other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.